Just few hours ago, a ship in Shanghai loaded with lots of Tesla Model 3s left Shanghai for Europe. The Triton Ace ship loaded with Tesla Model 3 left Shanghai's Luchao port for Europe on August 23 at 12:43 local time and is expected to make its first stop in Singapore in 6 days. That's August 29 at 2 p.m. local time. The car you have booked is in this ship if you are in Europe and are waiting for your Tesla to come, reports our friend Vuva, who has this new video sharing with us showing the shipment of Tesla Model 3s to be shipped overseas. So let's go to take a look at this, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. So Vuva, who provides diligently information from Giga Shanghai and Model 3 made in China, says capacity at Tesla's Shanghai factory has been increased rapidly recently, with Model Y production already reaching 1,000 cars per day and the factory's parking area apparently unable to accommodate the new cars. Initially, he says, I thought the new cars were being shipped directly to the Shanghai Haitong dock, the first overseas delivery dock for Tesla, and I wanted to I went to Shanghai Haitong on the August 18 to observe the small number of Teslas in the dock parking area. 20 after filming the Shanghai factory, I followed the delivery truck that had just left the factory and found that the truck had gone directly to the Luchao port dock, 10 kilometers away the factory. That's about 6 miles away. I decided to come back the next day to film the Shanghai factory as I had run out of batteries that day. He says on the afternoon of the 21st at the Luchao port dock in Shanghai, at this point the site full of Tesla vehicles had lost sight of new cars. The drone followed the Teslas that were quickly leaving the car park and the bridge where the Tesla drove across the road leading to the sea. There was a long queue of Teslas parking on the bridge. Apparently this was waiting to be loaded onto the ship. When the Tesla drove to the ship dock, it pulled into square of Teslas. A closer look at all the Model 3s. It was clear from the scene, Vuva says, that a large number of Model 3s had already been loaded onto the ship in the morning. The cargo ship flying in the Panamanian flag is called Triton Ace, and the information on the ship's website shows that it will arrive at its next destination on August 28 in Singapore. Friends, what is happening is that, as Simon Alvarez says in Tesla Radi, the Tesla Model Y invasion of Europe is beginning. The Tesla Model Y invasion of the European region has officially started with this and previous shipments. This became quite evident over the weekend at the first deliveries of all electric crossover were reported in several European territories, such as Germany and Norway, both by electric vehicle advocates and Tesla's local staff. Among the first Model Y deliveries in Europe was in Dortmund, Holzwickede, Germany, with senior Tesla advisor Con Dogan posting an image of a blue Model Y being handed over to a customer. Interestingly enough, the first Model Y delivery in Germany happened at a site that used to be a facility operated by Porsche. Today, the sprawling location hosts Tesla deliveries. The same was true in Oslo, Norway, which recently received its first shipment of Model Ys for the local market. Tesla Norway senior content and program manager Yves Sandoval Roland noted that the vehicles being unloaded in Oslo would be transported to different areas across the country. As per a report from local news agency Tech.no, Tesla has reportedly rented Varemessa in Listerom, a massive location that is typically used for trade fairs, as a likely location for Model Y deliveries. Roland, for his part, highlighted that Tesla would be working extremely hard to get the vehicles to their owners as quickly as possible. So guys, if you are in Europe and looking for your Tesla vehicle coming from China, you soon should receive it. He also explained that the recent Model Y shipment is just one of many. This is what he said: it's important to keep what we promised to the customers, and we they have worked hard and will work hard to ensure that those who have ordered get their cars. This is a Norwegian car that many are interested in, he said. Isn't it interesting that he called Tesla a Norwegian car? Because in Norway, a lot of people are interested in Teslas, and I think I reported yesterday that 30,000 Model 3s were sold in Europe a couple of days ago. So the Tesla Model Y that are currently being delivered in Europe are vehicles produced in Gigafactory Shanghai in China, and thanks to Vuva, you're watching how it's being shipped. This is a strategy that has been highlighted by the company in Q2 2021 update later, with Tesla stating that Giga Shanghai would be its primary vehicle export hub. Considering that its role has increased significantly, Tesla China has been updating its Model Y lines in the facility to get effect. Just recently, it has been reported that Giga Shanghai is now capable of producing 1,000 Model Ys per week. If you remember, thanks to our friend Vuva's report, I reported that a couple of days ago. Friends, also Elon Musk, for his part, seems very confident about the Model Y's potential. Back in April, Musk noted that the Model Y could very well be the world's best-selling vehicle based on revenue in 2022. For that, Tesla's Model Y needs to sell more than Toyota Corolla does now, as Toyota Corolla is the world's best-selling vehicle now. Now, by 2023, Elon Musk noted that the Model Y could probably be the world's best-selling vehicle by total number of units sold annually by 2023. Well, friends, what do you think? First, I would like to say thank you, Vuva, for diligently recording and documenting everything that is happening at Giga Berlin. I'm looking at some comments in social media. One person says it will be interesting to know how the Model Y feels to drive and sounds when being driven hard, say around corners, being it is the first car produced using a Giga press. Well, it's interesting, this comment, because first of all, if you guys know, please comment how the Model Y drive feels in the comment section below, because this will help a lot of non-Tesla owners see the drive and maybe try to have a Tesla. And second, but what's interesting for me is being it the first car produced using the Giga press. I'm wondering myself also to see how the Giga press has affected the drive feeling, the drive experience of the Gigafactory, made in Gigafactory Shanghai by Giga press. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are by watching this video. A shipment of Tesla Model 3 that just happened hours ago from the Shanghai Luchao port, thanks to our friend Vuva. Let's keep watching and see what else we have here, what else is Vuva showing, and I'll see you soon in our next report. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. I have several more coming today, and also please give us thumbs up if you found this video helpful and useful. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. Let's keep watching Vuva's video, and I'll see you soon in our next report.